Regulatory leaders are under pressure. A recent survey of nearly 700 peers revealed that 44% struggle with time and bandwidth, and 39% are grappling with costs and budgeting. Additionally, only 23% feel equipped to meet their 2024 goals. MDR maintenance is particularly challenging, with many expecting to spend over 20% more than last year. At Celegence, we understand these challenges firsthand. We are a leading AI-enabled regulatory consulting firm, helping clients manage hundreds of MDR documents annually. MDR requirements are demanding more from teams, more in-depth CERs, and more frequent updates, all with fewer resources. But there's good news. With Celegence, you can leverage our AI-enabled technology to streamline your CER writing and updates and let our experts handle it for you. Our AI-assisted literature search extracts vital data from PubMed and Google Scholar directly into your CERs. Our integration with the FDA MOD database allows for extensive device searches without limits. And with smart document writing features, you can automatically build reference libraries, track content, and ensure your documents are submission-ready with notified body feedback. The result? MDR compliant CERs in just 6 weeks, with a 99% first-time acceptance rate by notified bodies. And 8+ ratings from 97% of our global customers attest to our commitment to excellence. Choose our software for in-house work or our writing services for outsourced support. Contact us today to see how we can help you navigate the regulatory landscape more effectively.